In this video, I'm going to show you how you can find and export your trading history on Kraken. So if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and like it. So this is very useful to maybe look for a resume of all your trades, or it can even help you with tax reporting. So all you need to do is log into your Kraken account, then go to this sidebar at the left and click on activity. Maybe you have this menu like this, collapsed, but you can expand it if you want and go to activity. Once you are here, you will find export history. So click right there and you will find your exports. In my case, I have no exports right now, so I'm gonna click on new export. Then we're gonna select export type. We can do account statement. You can export a history of your balances. We can do account statement. You can also export a history of your balances. You can export ledger, which is basically all your transactions, or we can do trading history, which is what we are looking for. So click right there, and now we can customize our export. So we can put a specific date. We can click on the calendar if we want to put like a specific date, or we can put, for example, last 7 days, last 30 days, this month, last month, or last year. So let's say we want the last 7 days, then we can select a specific pair, or we can unselect the ones we don't need. In my case, I will leave all of them. Then the fields, those will be like the columns of the details that will appear on the export. For example, let's say you don't want the time of the trade to appear, or you don't want the fee to appear. We can do it like this. And then the format, we can choose between PDF or CSV, which is the spreadsheet format. And after you have chosen everything, we're gonna generate it, and it will take a few minutes or seconds depending on how many trades you have. In my case, I have no trades, but it will be the same process. Now we're just gonna download it, save the file, and open this folder. It has downloaded a folder with a PDF inside, which is the history. So click it, and as you can see, I didn't trade anything with my Kraken account, so it will say account had no activity. But right here you should find the full list of all your trades. If you have a lot, it will have more pages, of course, and it will also have the details that you have selected on the field. So that's it. That's how you can find your trade history on Kraken. I hope it was helpful, and thanks for watching.